This Audi A6 estate is having a detachable swan neck tow bar. What's involved is actually removing the bumper completely. Then actually, as you can see here, you've got the crash beam. That also gets removed and makes way for the new actual tow bar to be mounted in secure factory bolt positions in replacement of that crash beam. Another really important part of this is to add a dedicated wiring loom. So this goes into given points according to manufacturer, and it's all loomed in inch perfectly like you'd expect right out the factory. Not only is the dedicated wiring loom installed perfectly, you also get a socket that drops down for easy use, and then it can retain that factory look. The detachable Westfalia swan neck is so easy to take out. You pull out, twist away from you, and the neck just pops out. It's really simple, easy to use. Then to put it back in, all you do is level everything up, line it up, and put it in. It's spring loaded, and away you go. So that is the detachable tow bar solution on the Audi A6 estate.